So, business, ano muna tayo? Business KPI. So, yung nakalimutan natin is yung cash run away. No, yung pala yung dinidiscuss sa amin yung cash run away. Ibig sabihin, gaano karami yung cash, no? Para mag-operate ka. So, cash on hand over monthly cash burn. Yeah, so, yun. And then, yung burn multiple is, ano ba to? Burn multiple. Sa every average recurring revenue, meron kang recurring revenue. Siyempre, pag nagbi-business ka, nagkakaroon ka ng recurring revenue. So, gaano karaming cash yung nauubos every time na meron kang bagong average recurring revenue. So, i-divide mo lang yung net cash burn over net new average recurring revenue o yung ARR. So, yun yung mga business concepts na pagdating sa cash. Napaka-importante ng cash sa business, lalo na pag short-term payables or yung pag-measure ng financial capability, importanteng may cash reserves ka. So, yun lang po.